Okay, guys, this is my first video in 2026, and it's January, guys. See, it's still dark outside, man. Which is raining. My alarm went off at 5 o'clock or 5 a.m. because it's still dark outside, man. So, when I hit to watch today, got a 3-minute video. Cause I don't want a 3-minute video too long, bro. See this? It's raining, guys. Because so my dad's going to work. Because I'm at home right now. Cause we're taking a 3-minute video. Just anyone to know. But I know it's raining outside. It's like 3 minutes. What the? Oh, the rain is like red. Yeah. See this? It's raining already. It's tonight and dark outside. So I woke up at 4:56 a.m. Cause when my dad's at work, after my dad got off his work at 6:47, and then he was sure, and my dad will be home soon at 7, and my dad will be home soon. Alright, my dad will be home soon. I know. She's coming home. She's coming home like 7 p.m. But today is Saturday, and the Friday was yesterday, and then tomorrow is Sunday. Oh yeah, winter break is over, man. It's like 2 weeks end. So thanks for watching, guys. So I know it's raining today, so thanks for watching. Peace out.